It's yet another day of struggle under the hazardous asbestos-roofed houses. Their hopes of having the dangerous material removed remain dashed. To date, more than 30,000 houses still have asbestos roofs.
My mother was also passed away by TB. But I didn't realize for it is the cost of asbestos.
We are just living here because we have no place to stay. Government has failed us.
Magashule, businessman Edwin Sodi, former Human Settlements Director General Tabani Zulu, and former Free State Human Settlements head Ntimosi Mogesi contend that charges against them were premised on the evidence presented before the Commission of Inquiry into state capture. They have also blamed Free State Cooperative Governance MEC Mxolisi Dukwana for their legal woes. Dukwana has implicated Magashule and the co-accused during his appearance before the State Capture Commission in what he described as an asbestos heist. Magashule has accused the prosecution of being dishonest by initially submitting that his former personal assistant Muradi Cholota was a state witness. Magashule has expressed a concern that the US-based Cholota will not be defense witness because she too will be criminally charged.
It vindicates our position that the issues that they raised in their interlocutory application should be ventilated by the trial court. We are now focusing on ensuring that the pre-trial conference that is scheduled for the 10th of June 2022 is concluded.
In dismissing the application, the High Court found that the trial court was best placed to rule on the legal disputes raised by Magashule and his co-accused. The court ruled that a trial within a trial can determine the admissibility of evidence against them, and that the application fell into the category of preliminary litigation.
In the total analysis, you now find that there is a serious dispute of facts, as it may seem to be the case in this matter in the court's analysis, and therefore the application failed. With the application having failed, it would now mean that the matter will proceed its course.
This is what our political leaders has been preaching, to say there is all these allegations, give us an opportunity and so that he can present his case. I don't think there's anything wrong. This whole notion that there's political meddling within our courts, that whole narrative should be laid to bed.
The pre-trial hearing on the matter is expected to be held on the 10th of June. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.